B, C, D, E, F, G.
Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Edunation Ecofunomics. I am Shreya Roy and I am logged just as you are. So initially during my regular weekday, I had to work 8.5 hours and generally 3 days a week. And now that I'm working from home, I'm literally working 20 hours a day. Yes, so I can't even differentiate between a Sunday and a Monday. So it's like going crazy. I'm working on my PhD thesis like every day long. Okay, so the topic of discussion today is 10 useful things about Google you probably did not know. So you may be somebody who is working from home just like me, or you may be a student who is taking online classes like me, or you simply might be watching it during a time when it is no more a lockdown. So you may have to submit assignments, you may be anywhere around the world, but someday or the other you do use Google. And I am going to share 10 tips about using Google, which is going to help you a lot. So learn to use Google like a pro. Let's get into the video. First, hashtag search like a pro. So how to Boolean search? I have made a whole video on this one, and in case you did not watch it, click on the I over here and that shall take you to a video where I have shared 3 tips on searching like an expert. Like the other day somebody was asking me that I'm not able to look for a particular song, and I was like, dude, you probably did not watch my video. If you would have, you wouldn't be facing this. So anyways, please go check that out, and I guarantee you're going to benefit. Second, hashtag avoid the hassle. So are you at the home? Are you working from home? And for the slightest doubt, you are mailing your senior and it's like, hey, this is the doubt. Or are you simply that one who has to pass on an instruction to your junior, and for even the slightest thing you are having to mail? So let's learn about Hangout. So Hangout is a chat application just like your Messenger, just like your WhatsApp. So that is actually linked to your email ID. Check out the screen recording that I'm sharing right now.
So stop sending email all the time, and here I'm going to show you how to hang out. These are the people with whom I always have an official hangout. They are my professors and guide. So here I'm sending an invitation to my other email ID to show you how the process is done. Send a small request message and you need to press the send invitation, and here the invite is sent. So the person will get an invitation on the left hand side, and click on that, and when the person accepts it, you can hang out. So then you are free to type, chat, send official messages, get response easily in a quick of a second without having to write the subject, whatever. Yes, that is my guide's chat, and you are not officially entitled to see that. Anyways, take a look. Anyways, this is what I do. I use this pretty often.
Third, hashtag play it safe. So are you somebody who do not carry your cell phone or internet? You do not have a phone, internet all the time, and you need to make online payments? Or are you simply somebody like me who goes around hopping your office or hopping from place to place? Sometimes I am at my one professor's cabin, the other time I'm in the other professor's cabin, and I have to show them some work, and you have to log in into your account, and you need to set some password, or simply need to use somebody's system without letting them hamper your privacy. Go incognito. So incognito is a mode in which Google does not register, recall, or remember anything that you have searched. So that's a blessing.
So you press on the three dots on the right hand side corner and you open the new incognito window, and it takes you to a dark mode window where you type your everything. So for example, if I have to type my website's name, so I'll show you that as well. So here I go. I'm not sure why I'm not typing. Yeah, here I go. I press my website and there it opens. Ignore that, even if you don't want. And here I log in, and obviously I am not going to show you my password or email ID or anything over here. Let's move to the next point.
Fourth, hashtag Google Doodle. So Google has this amazing thing where during any special occasion, or right now like the stay home stay safe thing, it creates Doodle. The logo of the Google, it gets converted into a doodle. A doodle is what? A doodle is simply a scribbled thing. And when you click on the Google logo, it takes you to the entire information that is happening during that period of time.
So let's click on the logo over here, and it is taking us to the coronavirus tips page, where it is talking about all the things that is happening in our economy right now. Let's try and type Google Doodle over here, and let's see. So it is taking us to the Google Doodle page, where it has all the Google Doodles since the first doodle was done. So you click on the doodle and you get all the information relating to that over there. So yes, it's a pretty knowledgeable page.
Fifth, hashtag Google Scholar. Are you a student? Are you a PhD scholar just like me? Are you a professor? Are you a teacher? Do you need to make an assignment? If anything, or in general you need to make a report, in general you need some hardcore facts, go Google Scholar. So Google Scholar gives you all high quality journals, high quality papers, real time facts. Affiliated universities, they publish papers, and the facts are very genuine. When a educational university research institute publishes a paper, it's not a fake article, it's not a fake news. So Google Scholar provides you with that.
So you simply type Google Scholar and it opens, and you click on that, and then whatever you want to search for, you type over there. As for me, I'm typing general equilibrium factor price model. That's what I want. Price effect, right? And that's what I get, all JSTOR stuffs.
6, hashtag Google Drive. Are you running out of space? Your phone is like 64 GB and yet you do not have enough space? Learn to store your images, your files, your documents, everything in Google Drive. Google Drive is basically linked with your account, so individually every account of yours, email account of yours, has individual storage space along with the Google Drive. So I have been using one of my email ID since my 10th standard, I believe. Yes, and I still store over there.
Guys, if you know to laptop screen record, please comment down below. It would be great help. Also, this is my Google Drive where I have stored God knows what. So these are most of the pictures that you see, yes, of the function where I had delivered some lectures and some files and documents from my first job. That's a lot of things which is stored and secured.
7, hashtag share the burden. So basically I'm talking about Google Documents, Google PPT, Google Sheets, Google, what else? Excel sheets, whatever. So are you somebody who has to work in a team, and are you suffering from the free riding that people are doing? Are you taking up all the burden just because the format is not being maintained, or people are lazy enough to complete the work in the stipulated time? Well, share your doc, share your sheet, and sharing is caring. So learn to share your burden too.
If you're still here and you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And as you can see, I have opened Google document, and here I'm going to show you how it works. So you click on the blank document and it opens. Whatever you have to type, just type it down. And see, like for example, I'm writing anything, just blabberish stuff. I'm writing something, and then I can hit the share button, which is on the right hand side top corner, and over there you can share it with your friends typing their email ID.
Eight. Hashtag shopping expert. So, do you look for an item, go through Flipkart, check out the price, then look for the same item, check out Amazon, check out the price, then go to eBay, then to Tata Click, then Myntra? I don't know. Do you go through all the shopping websites and then look at the cheapest price available? Google has a solution to that too. Shopping expert, as I said. So click over here and it picks out that item from every website and displays it along with the price. So shop like an expert.
So open the shopping thing, and over there you type, like for example I typed class, and there it shows all the classes available in Flipkart, in Amazon, and God knows what, and it has more than 10 pages, I believe. Just check that out.
9. Hashtag memory. So Google has 3 options for you. 1. The shortcuts. 2. The bookmarks. And 3. The history. Shortcuts are the one, for example, you use a website frequently, so it displays below in a shortcut key. Shortcut, notification, whatever, the icons, shortcut icons. 2, you might not use a website very frequently, but it is an important website, like for me, the IIFT library or the RBI data source. Such things I can easily bookmark and keep it in the bookmark ribbon. And for example, like for us, sometimes we read some article, something, some knowledgeable thing, and then we just close it and we forget where it was. So to tag my friend, Google has secured the history for you. Go browse through your history and boom, you get your stuff there. 10. Hashtag explore. Google has infinite things for you to explore. Google has infinite things for you to explore. Translate. Wanna know how to say certain things in French, or how to say something in Arabic language? So Google helps you out in that. In fact, as a research scholar, there are many papers and stuffs written in some Russian language, which is not legible by us. So what do? We copy paste the article and put it on the Google Translate, so it helps. Or maybe like the Google Earth, it helps you too. I mean, it's interesting. Or Google News, Google Pics. There are infinite things to explore. I hope this video was helpful. In case it was, please hit the like button. Please share it with your friends, as knowledgeable contents like these are really are really very difficult to find. So share with your friends, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.